to my channel. So today's video, I'm just doing a look using strictly black radiance, everything black radiance. The only thing that I didn't use black radiance is for my eyebrows. Other than that, you know, you're gonna see me putting everything together, and I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I will see you all at the end.
So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our luminous dry oil and we're going to apply that on our face. Now, I learned that a little goes a long way. I had used a lot before and it had my makeup looking absolutely horrible. Like, it looked so freaking bad. So yeah, don't apply too much. And then we're going to go in with our True Complexion Refining Skin Primer and we're going to apply that all over the face. It was a little tough to apply, but you know, it felt good after. It felt really clean. And at this part, I'm just going in with my concealer just to conceal all my dark areas. That's nothing new. I always do that in like almost all my videos, so yeah. Next, I'm going in with the stick foundation in the color Cashmere. It fit my skin perfect. Like, it was the perfect shade. But the only thing, like, I feel like when I don't know if I'm applying stick foundation wrong or something, but I just felt like it was just really, really hard to blend. And I even at a moment, I didn't catch it, but I went in with my beauty blender. I don't know, I just really had a hard time blending the stick foundation. And then again, I've never used stick foundation, so I don't even know if there's like a method to applying it. Like, should you wet your brush, or I don't know. I just really had a really rough time, but it really did come out really nice and smooth. So, I mean, I did actually use another product that wasn't Black Radiance. It was my Maybelline concealer. I've used the Black Radiance concealer in the contour palette before, and I just felt like it was just really thick and stiff, and it was really hard for me to blend, and I know that I can blend this one pretty well. So yeah, I'm just applying that to my highlighted areas where the sun naturally hits your face, and we're just blending that out with our beauty blender. And as I was blending it, I saw that it really wasn't like showing the way I wanted to. So I went in with a lighter shade, and it was my ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and blended that out. And I noticed that once I blended it out, you could really see it more. I feel like that Maybelline one is kind of close to my skin tone, so you really can't see it unless you're trying to do like a extra natural makeup look. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go in with our loose setting powder, and this was the lightest shade of it. It's like a banana powder. It's really loose, so I kind of went in kind of crazy with it, and you're gonna see that it's like gonna get like all over the place, but it is okay because at the end of the video the look came together. Watch when I put it on my forehead, it just went crazy. Like, I was just like, oh shit, like, what did I just do? But yeah, we're just putting that in the same areas that I always put powder in. It's just like a lot because it's such a loose powder. So now we're going in with our True Complexion contour palette, the medium to dark, and we're taking the contour and the sculpt shade, and we're putting that right above our cheekbones. Right underneath my cheekbones, and we're going to do the forehead at the top, and we're also going to do the two lines on the nose. So I'm talking ahead of time, but remember that when you're doing your nose, you want to make sure that you're dragging it from the tip of your eyebrow all the way down to the end of your nose, because that's where your nose starts. It doesn't start on the nose. It starts kind of where the eyebrow is, and then it goes into the nose. So please remember that, so you don't have these two harsh lines not blended in. Now I'm just going in and wiping all that powder away. We did put a lot of powder on, but as you can see, it all comes together pretty nicely. So yeah, just wipe all the powder away. And then I did go in with my lip sculptor from Black Radiance. It didn't have a name. I think it just said like 5404, but it's a dark brown nude, and it is so freaking beautiful. And I added it with a small little bit of my brown lip liner, and it was bomb. I really loved it a lot. I've been wearing it for a couple days. now. And then I'm just setting my face, sorry, I'm setting my face with the dewy setting spray. I usually go for a matte look, but I wanted to do something different, so I said let's try a dewy look and see how that is. And then out of my cream contour palette, the medium to, no, it's the light to medium, I took the little highlight in there and highlighted my nose area, my cheek area, right above, right between my eyebrows and my chin, and right above my cupid's bow.
So this is the final look of using all Black Radiance products. I did my lashes and I did a little bit of eyeshadow off camera because I know you guys didn't want to see all that. It was a completely different palette or whatever. And I did go in with their, it's a really quick wing. I did go in with their Bold and Sexy liquid eyeliner right here. And I used this side of it. Let that focus in. I used the pointed side of it versus the angled side of it. Because I'm going to work, I didn't want to do like a dramatic wing liner. I work in retail, so I didn't want to, you know, do the most when the most isn't needed. Overall, I think that the products are pretty okay. They're pretty nice. Just using the stick foundation is hard for me. I don't know, maybe, I'm not sure how to like, I really never really used stick foundation, so I see that it's really hard to blend stick foundation, or maybe it's just me. I don't know, but I like the way it came out. It's really subtle. It's really nice. It's really, really soft on my skin. I feel like I don't even have any makeup on at the moment. Like, I feel like there's nothing there. But when my glow, wait, I show all that. I forgot I show all that. I forgot it. I really like the products. 1 through 10, I would definitely give the products an 8. I want to play with the products more. My shade matched perfect. This shade matched so perfect. Like, it is so hard for me to match my foundation shade so perfect. And this one definitely matched super perfect. Love this lipstick. This is like my new favorite go-to, and I'll be doing a video on all the lipsticks that I got so you guys can see all those as well. But I'm not going to keep this video dragged on forever, so thank you for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.